The 2020 Toyota Corolla will be the sixth complete model year for the car after the 12th generation's release. Many have speculated that 2025 or 2026 will be the premier year of the anticipated Corolla revamp, but no one knows for sure. In 2025, we might see a fresh take on the little car's design if Toyota updates the Corolla. Reportedly sporting a more refined appearance, the revamped Toyota compact car has not been seen in prototype form as yet. Angled headlights, thinner grilles, bigger front air intakes, and horizontal taillights are some design cues that the next-gen Corolla may acquire from the more expensive Prius and Crown models. Modern and stylish, the front fascia of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is what sets it apart. The distinctive Toyota logo is shown boldly on the attractive grille. To further emphasize the contemporary and instantly identifiable style, sleek LED headlights, probably with a distinctive lighting pattern, surround the grille. Efficacy and a hint of crossover toughness are the design goals. The outward design of the Corolla Cross Hybrid resembles a crossover, combining the convenience of an SUV with the elegance of a sedan. The crossover's sturdy build and aerodynamics that prioritize efficiency are harmoniously integrated in this design. It has a hostile appearance due to its broad wheel wells and daring body covering. The ultimate hybrid crossover, the Corolla Cross Hybrid can handle a wide range of road conditions thanks to its higher ground clearance. The driver is treated to a more expansive vision thanks to this design aspect, which also enhances the vehicle's crossover nature. When used correctly, hybrid badging conveys the vehicle's eco-friendliness and fuel efficiency. This emblem might be shown on the front or rear fenders of the Corolla Cross, highlighting its hybrid drivetrain. Hybrid technology aligns with Toyota's dedication to environmentally friendly transportation. The versatile Corolla Cross is shown by its practical roof rails, which allow for the option to move additional stuff. The adaptable roofline, which provides choices for a panoramic sunroof, can contribute to an airy and open interior. With its cutting-edge LED taillights, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is sure to have a stylish and practical rear end. Blue accents and distinctive badging are part of the hybrid branding that highlights the vehicle's dedication to environmentally conscious driving without sacrificing style. The goal of the Corolla Cross Hybrid's designers was to create an inviting and roomy cabin. The combination of high-quality materials, intuitive controls, and smart entertainment systems makes for a more enjoyable ride.
Thanks for watching.